Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to manage quality control in ERPNext. We'll begin by navigating to the Quality Inspection template. In the Awesome bar, search for Quality Inspection template and click on the result to open the list. Once in the Quality Inspection template, click on the Add Quality Inspection to create a new Quality Inspection template. After that, click on the Quality Inspection template name and enter the template name. Next, click on Parameter dot and enter the parameter. You can add more parameters as needed. Then, click on the Acceptance Criteria value and enter the appropriate criteria. After that, click on Save. Now, we have created a Quality Inspection template. In the Awesome bar, search for Item List dot and click on the result to open the list. Select the item and click on it. Then, click on Quality and select the checkbox for Inspection Required Before Purchase. Click on Quality Inspection Template dot and select the created Quality Inspection template. Finally, click on Save Item. In the Awesome bar, search for Purchase Order List and click on the result to open the list. Click on Add Purchase Order to create a new order. Then, click on Supplier and select the supplier. Click on Item Code dot and select the item code. After that, click on Required By and select the required date. Click on Quantity and enter the quantity. Next, click on Rate dot and enter the rate. Verify all the details, then click on Save and Submit to complete the purchase order. Next, click on Create dot and then on Purchase Receipt to create the purchase receipt. Verify all the details and click on Save. A message will pop up indicating that a quality inspection is required. Click on Create dot and then on Quality Inspection. After creating the inspection, check the quality and verify all the details. After, click on Submit and return to the site. Finally, click on Submit Purchase Receipt to complete the quality control process.